Next, section B, question number 11. Verify whether AB is equals to BA for the matrices A is equals to 3740 and B is equals to 1273. So in this example, we are going to apply matrix multiplication. First here we are going to find out AB value. After that we are going to find out the BA value. At the end, both the values, whether it is equal or not equal, that we are going to verify. So for that, first solution, in the solution, first AB value. So write here A and here B. Next, A below mention A matrix. What is that A matrix? 3740. 3740. Next, into B matrix below mention 1273. 1273. So next, A matrix order is 2 cross 2. B matrix order is 2 cross 2. Therefore, these two values are what here? Equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is possible. So, after that, we are going to apply here box method. So, we are going to apply here box method to find out the value. So, for that, we need to draw two lines like this. So after that, at this corner, write here AB, because we are finding here which value? AB. So A above row and here column means, it means in this part A matrix rows we are going to write, in this part B matrix column we are going to write. Therefore, A matrix first row, what is that first row here? 3, 7. So here 3, 7. After that, put one line. Next, what is the second row? 4, 0. 4, 0. Next, B matrix column. B matrix, what is the first column here? 1, 7. But here we need to take the column, but while writing according to row wise, we have to write, that is 1, 7. Next, second column is 2, 3. So write here 2, 3. 2, 3. Next, do the multiplication now. So here first multiply the sign, next multiply the numbers. Therefore plus into plus is plus, 3 into 1 is what here? 3. Plus into plus is plus, 7 into 7 is how much here? 49. Next, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6, plus into plus is plus, 7 into 3 is 21. Next, plus into plus is plus, 4 into 1 is 4. Next, plus into plus is plus, 0 into 7 is 0. Plus into plus is plus, 4 into 2 is 8. Next, plus into plus is plus, 0 into 3 is how much here? 0. So after doing the multiplication, next, therefore AB is equals to, in matrix form, all these values as it is we need to mention. Therefore it is a plus 3 plus 49. Next, plus 6 plus 21. Next, plus 4 plus 0, and next one plus 8 plus 0. Next, add the numbers. Therefore AB value is 52. 3 plus 49. Next, 6 plus 21, 27. Next, 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 0 is what? 8. So what is the order here? 2 cross 2. So this is the value of what here? AB. After finding AB, next we need to find out what here? BA. So write here B, next A. Here BA. So first B matrix, here first B is there, so mention B matrix. What is that B matrix? 1, 2, 7, 3. 1, 2, 7, 3. So next, into, next A matrix. What is that A matrix? 3, 7, 4, 0. So B matrix order is 2 cross 2. A matrix order is 2 cross 2. Therefore these two numbers are what here? Same. So here we can do matrix multiplication. So after that we will apply the box method. So draw two lines. So like this. So in this corner write here BA. So B above row and A above right here column. So B matrix rows. What is the first row here? 1 comma 2. Next second row is 7 comma 3. A matrix column, first column is 3 comma 4 and second column is 7 comma 0. Next do the multiplication. First multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus, 1 into 3 is 3, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 4 is 8, plus into plus is plus, 1 into 7 is 7, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 0 0, plus into plus is plus, 7 into 3 21, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 4 12, plus into plus plus, 7 into 7 49, plus into plus is plus, 3 into 0 is what here 0. Therefore BA is equals to, in matrix form, once again all these values note down. So plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 0 plus 21 plus 12 and plus 49 plus 0, plus 49 plus 0, so which is equals to, therefore BA answer is 3 plus 8 11, 7 plus 0 7, 21 plus 12 33, and next 49 plus 0 is how much here 49. Our order is 2 cross 2. Now finally you can see here, finally you can see B value is 52 27 48, BA value is 11 7 33 49. These two are different answers. Therefore here we have to write AB is not equals to what here BA. Next question number 12. Find adjoint of matrix A is equals to 1 2 3 4. So here A matrix is given, we need to find out adjoint of matrix. So here to solve this adjoint of matrix, one is a regular method is there, another one is shortcut method is there. So we will discuss both the methods. So in that, first we will see what is the regular method. So to find out adjoint of matrix in regular method, first we need to find out a cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. So to find out this cofactor matrix, the second order sign rule is plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay, so next what we need to do is, here 4 elements are there, first element, second element, third element and fourth element. First we need to take the first element. While taking first element, we need to delete that particular row and we need to delete this particular column. What is the remaining element here? 4. This 4 we need to write in first element place. So next second element is 2. So while taking 2, that particular column and that particular row we need to delete. If I delete these two, what is the remaining element here? 3. Sorry, remaining number is 3. We need to write it in second element place. Next number is 3. While taking 3, delete that column and delete this row. So what is the remaining number? 2. That we need to write in third element place. And lastly 4, while taking 4, delete that particular column and delete that row and column. So what is the remaining element here? 1. So this number 1 we need to write in fourth element place. So this is the first step. After that, cofactor matrix is equals to cofactor matrix is equals to, now multiply the sign. Therefore plus into plus is plus 4, minus into plus is minus 3, minus into plus is minus 2, plus into plus is what here? Plus 1. So after finding cofactor matrix, next we need to take transpose of this matrix. We need to take what here? Take transpose. Therefore adjoint of A is equals to, so transpose of matrix means first row we should write it as a first column, second row write it as a second column. So this is the value of what? Adjoint of matrix. So this is the regular method. Otherwise here we can use the shortcut method also. So for this shortcut method, what we need to do is, it is one step answer. Given matrix is A is equals to 1 2 3 4. So here directly we can find out adjoint of A. So here what we need to do is, we need to interchange principal diagonal elements. So these two numbers are called what here? Principal diagonal elements. Interchange means in one place write here 4, in 4 place write here 1. Interchange principal diagonal elements. After interchanging principal diagonal elements, remaining elements only we need to change the sign. So here plus 3 is there, plus 3 becomes minus 3, plus 2 is there, plus 2 becomes what here? Minus 2. So this is what we call it as what here? Adjoint of A. So you can see here in regular method also 4 minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 we are getting. In shortcut method also 4 minus 2 minus 3 plus 1 we are getting. Next, question number 13. Find characteristic equation of the matrix A is equals to 3, 2, 4, 5. So to find out this characteristic equation, we are going to apply the shortcut formula. So here first regular formula is determinant of A minus lambda I is equals to what here? 0, and shortcut formula is lambda square minus A plus D into lambda plus determinant of A is equals to what here? 0. So this is the shortcut formula to find out what here? Characteristic equation. First write these two formulas. After that, what is A value here? A is 3, 2, 4, 5. Next, this we need to compare with A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. So given matrix we need to compare with A, B, C, D. Therefore here next lambda square, keep it as it is, minus in bracket A is there. So you know A means what is the number here? 3. So write here 3 plus D is here. So D means what is the number here? 5. So write here 5. Next this lambda keep it as it is, plus next determinant symbol as it is. Next A value, what is that A value? 3, 2, 4, 5 mention here. 3, 2, 4, 5 is equals to 0. Therefore it is lambda square minus 3 plus 5 is how much here? 8 lambda plus in bracket here apply second order rule. What is that second order rule? Cross multiplication, middle always minus sign. 3 into 5 is how much here? 15 minus 4 into 2 is how much here? 8 is equals to how much here? 0. Therefore lambda square minus 8 lambda plus 15 minus 8 is how much here? 7 is equals to 0. So this is what we call it as what here? Characteristic equation. Next question, question number 14. Find equation of straight line passing through the point 1, 2 which makes an angle 45 degree to x axis. So in this question we need to find out the equation of straight line, but you can observe here only one point is given. So here we are going to apply 1 point formula. So what is that 1 point formula? Equation of straight line, equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So this is 1 point formula. So but here two values are given. One is 1 point is given. So this 1, 2 in this solution consider as x1 y1, that is 1 point, and here angle is given. What is that angle? Theta is equals to how much degree here? 45 degree. So to find out equation of straight line, we need one point, that is x1 and y1. Already it is given x1 and y1, and we need here m value. M means slope value, but the slope is not given, therefore slope m is what here? Question mark. But instead of this slope here, angle 45 is given. So using this angle, first we need to find out which value here? Slope. Therefore slope m is equals to which formula we are going to use here? Tan theta. So which is equals to tan how much degree? 45 degree. Use the scientific calculator. Tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1. Therefore m is equals to how much here? 1. Once we get m is equals to 1, next substitute these two values in the formula. Therefore equation of straight line is y minus y1. y1 is 2 is equals to m is 1 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 1. So after that y minus 2, keep it as it is, open the bracket. 1 into x is 1x. Next plus into minus is minus. 1 into 1 is what here? 1. So afterwards, final answer, always we need to bring in which form here? ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So this is the standard form of what? Equation of straight line. Here always we keep x as what here? Positive. So after opening the bracket, just check it whether x is positive or negative. Here x is already positive. Because of that reason, I am going to shift plus y and minus 2 to right hand side. So that time here remaining value will be 0. So 1x as it is, plus y becomes what here? Minus y. Minus 2 becomes what here? Plus 2, and already here minus 1 is there. Keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 1x minus y plus 2 minus 1 is how much here? Plus 1. So this is the required equation of straight line. Otherwise we can write it as x minus y plus 1 is equals to what here? 0. Next, question number 15. So here question number 15, find equation of a straight line passing through 2 points 2, 3 and 5, what here? 4. So here also we need to find out what here? Equation of straight line, but here how many points are given? 2 points are given. Therefore in the first step, first point 2, 3 consider as x1, y1, and 5, 4 consider as x2, y2. So afterwards write the formula. Therefore equation of straight line formula is so whenever 2 points are given, equation of straight line formula is y minus y1 is equals to, in bracket, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into bracket x minus of what here? X1. So next substitute the values. Y, keep it as it is, minus y1. y1 is 3 is equals to y2. y2 is 4 minus y1 is what here? 3 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is how much here? 2 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 2. After substituting the values, next do the simplification. So y minus 3 as it is. So 4 minus 3 is what here? 1 divided by 5 minus 2 is how much here? 3 into bracket x minus 2. Keep it as it is. So here you are getting the fraction value. So better what we need to do is do the cross multiplication. If I do the cross multiplication, this 3 comes in the numerator here, that is 3 into bracket y minus 3 is equals to 1 into bracket x minus of what here? 2. Next open the bracket. 3 into y is 3y minus this and this. 3 into 3 is 9 is equals to 1 into x is 1x minus minus 1 into 2 is how much here? 2. Again you can see x contains positive sign, therefore we need to shift plus 3y and minus 2 to right hand side, so that time 0 is equals to 1x. Next plus 3y becomes what here? Minus 3y, minus 9 becomes what here? Plus 9, and here already minus 2 is there, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 1x minus 3y plus 9 minus 2 is how much here? 7. So this is the required equation of what here? Straight line. Next, question number 16. Find equation of straight line having x-intercept 2 and y-intercept 3 units respectively. Here also again we need to find out what here? Equation of straight line, but for different condition. What is that condition? Here x-intercept is given and y-intercept is also given. So in the solution, first write these two given values. Therefore x-intercept. So x-intercept means a value. So how much unit? 2 unit. And next y-intercept, that is b value. How much it is given? 3 unit. So whenever x-intercept a and y-intercept b are given, so that time equation of straight line formula goes to x divided by a plus y divided by b is equals to what here? 1. So next substitute here a and b value. X divided by a is how much here? 2 plus y divided by b is how much here? 3 is equals to what here? 1. So after this, here you can solve this next further step by using two ways. One is by using shortcut method. So what is that shortcut method? So these two values we need to multiply first, that is x into 3 is 3x plus next these two, 2 into y is what here? 2y. Next divided by both the denominator value, do the multiplication. 2 into 3 is how much here? 6 is equals to 1. So after that do the cross multiplication. So 6, therefore it is 3x plus 2y is equals to 6 into 1 is what here? 6. Next you can see x already here positive sign is there, therefore shift this plus 6 to which side here? Left hand side. So that time 3x plus 2y plus 6 becomes what here? Minus 6 is equals to what here? 0. So this is the required equation of straight line. Otherwise you can use here LCM method also. So that is x divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 is equals to 1. Denominator 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. Therefore here 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is, 3 ones are 3. Next multiply these two. 2 into 3 is how much here? 6. Therefore LCM is how much here? 6. So 6. Therefore to get this 6 for this 2 we need to multiply by 3 and here multiply by 2. So x into 3 is what here? 3x plus 2 into y is what? 2y is equals to 1. Same value we are getting here. Next do the cross multiplication. 3x plus 2y is equals to 6 into 1 is what here? 6. X contains positive sign, therefore shift this plus 6 to left hand side. Therefore 3x plus 2y plus 6 becomes what here? Minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore either you can use LCM method, otherwise you can use shortcut method. So this is the final answer. Question number 17. Show that the two lines 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 and 6x plus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0 are parallel. Here in this question two lines equations already given. First step, what we need to do is, using first line we will find out slope m1. Next, using second line we need to find out slope m2. After finding m1 and m2, next we need to check whether both the values same or no, because in the parallel condition in straight line, you can see here, if two straight lines are parallel, then condition is m1 value is equals to what here, m2 value, means slope of first line is always equals to what here, slope of second line. Therefore here in the solution, first write the first equation, 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to what here, 0. Next, it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to what here, 0. A is equals to what here, 2. So right here b is equals to nothing, means 1 will be there, and c value how much here, minus 4. So c value is how much here, minus 4. So next, after this, write the slope formula. Therefore slope m1 is equals to, whenever ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given, a slope formula goes to minus a divided by b, minus a value is 2 and b value is 1. Therefore how much we are getting here, minus 2. So this is the value of what, slope m1. Next, note down the second equation. What is that second equation? 6x plus 3y plus 10 is equals to what here, 0. Again it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here a value is how much here, 6, comma, b value how much here, 3, and c value how much here, 10. Therefore find out here slope m2. Therefore m2 is equals to, again same formula, minus a divided by what here, b. Therefore which is equals to minus, as it is, a is 6 divided by b is how much here, 3. You can cancel here, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Therefore minus 2 divided by 1 means minus 2. So clearly what you are observing here, m1 value and m2 value. m1 value is minus 2, m2 value is also minus 2. Therefore easily you can see here m1 is equals to, m2 is equals to what here, minus 2. Therefore both the lines are what here, parallel. Therefore both the lines are parallel. Next, question number 18. Find slope, x intercept and y intercept of the line 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0. So here in this solution, in the straight line unit, see, if the equation of a straight line is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given, so that time a slope formula is minus a divided by b, x intercept formula is minus c divided by a, and y intercept formula is minus c divided by b. Now here we are going to use these three formulas. First, write the equation. So equation of the straight line is 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0. It is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. A value is 2. Next b value is 4. Next c value is how much here, 5. So after getting a, b, c, first we need which value here, slope m. Therefore slope m is equals to, formula is minus a divided by b. So minus a is 2 divided by b is 4. This is the final answer. Otherwise you can cancel 1 and 2. So final answer is minus 1 divided by 2. Next we need x intercept. So x intercept. So x intercept formula is minus c divided by a. So here in the formula already minus is there, keep that minus as it is. The C value, what is that C value here? 5 divided by A value is how much here? 2. After that, Y intercept formula is minus C divided by B. Here minus is there, keep it as it is. C value is 5 divided by B. B value is how much here? 4. Therefore, slope minus 1 by 2, x-intercept minus 5 by 2 and y-intercept is minus 5 divided by 4. Next, question number 19. Find the value of sine 300 degree plus cot 225 degree. So, to solve this example in trigonometry, we are going to apply allied angle formulas. Correct? So, here first we will find out sine 300 degree value. Correct? So, first write here sine 300. First step, what we need to do is this 300 we should bring in standard form. What is that standard form? N into 90 either plus or minus theta. Therefore, this sine I am going to keep it as it is into next 300 can be written as what here 4 into 90. 4 into 90 is 360, but we need 300. That's why here we need to subtract how much here? 60. Therefore, 4 into 90 is 360 minus 60 is how much here? 300. So, first we need to bring in the standard form. After that, next this number we have to check whether it is even number or odd number. If it is even number, all 6 trigonometric ratios remains the same. If it is odd number, sine changes to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec theta to cosec theta and cosec theta to what here? Sec theta. Therefore, here n is even number, means 4 is even number, sine remains sine, and at the end here 60 degree is there, keep that 60 degree as it is. After that, here 4 minus is there, so rotate. So draw here small plus, check 4 minus comes in which quadrant? Start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is comes. So remember, plus means it will jump to the next quadrant, minus means it will come back to previous quadrant. Here minus is there, means it comes in the previous quadrant, means which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. You can see in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, remaining all are negative. So here which trigonometric ratio is there? Sine. So sine is negative in which quadrant here? Fourth quadrant. So mention here minus. So after that, minus you keep it as it is. Next see sine 60 degree value in standard table. You can see sine 60 degree value is how much? Root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, sine 300 degree value goes to what here? Root 3 divided by 2. Next, cot 225. Cot 225. So, which is equals to cot, keep it as it is. 225 can be written as 2 into 90, 180. 180 plus 45 is 225. Again 2 is even number, so cot remains what here? Cot. At the end here how much angle is there? 45 degree is there, keep it as it is. Next here 2 plus, so draw here plus, start with 0, 0, 1, 2. Here it comes. So plus means next quadrant, and next quadrant means which quadrant here? Third. You can see in the third quadrant tan and cot are positive. So here which trigonometric ratio is there? Cot. Therefore cot is positive in which quadrant? Third quadrant. After that, see the trigonometric ratio standard angle table. Cot of 45 degrees how much here? 1. Therefore cot of 45 goes to how much here? 1. Next, write the given question. Therefore sine 300 degree, sine 300 degree plus next one is what here? Cot 225 degree. Sine 300 degree how much we are getting? Minus root 3 divided by 2 plus cot 45 how much we are getting here? Plus 1. So next here you can directly use the calculator to find out the fraction values, otherwise take the LCM. So LCM is how much here? 2. So here multiply by 1 and here multiply by 2. Minus root 3 into 1 is how much here? Minus root 3. Again plus 1 into 2 is how much here? 2. So this is the value of what? Sin 300 plus cot 225. Next question. Question number 20. Simplify sin 90 degree plus theta plus cos 180 degree minus theta plus tan 270 degree plus theta plus cot 360 minus theta. Here also again we are going to use allied angle. First, separately we will find out all these four values in the solution. First, sin 90 plus theta, therefore which is equals to sin, as it is 90 can be written as what here? 1 into 90 plus theta. So which is equals to, 1 is odd number, so whenever odd number comes, sin changes to what here? Cos. Therefore here sin changes to what here? Cos. Here at the end angle theta is there, so mention that angle theta as it is. Next 1 plus, so here 1 plus 0 1 plus means second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is which sign here? Plus. Next second value, so cos 180 minus theta, so which is equals to cos 180 can be written as what here? 2 into 90, 180 minus theta. So again here 2 is even number. For even number cos remains cos. At the end again theta is there, mention as it is. Next 2 minus, therefore again plus the sign 0 1 2 minus means previous quadrant. Previous quadrant means second quadrant. In second quadrant you can see sine and cosec. Sine and cosec are positive, remaining all are negative. Remaining means which comes here? Cos. Therefore cos is negative in the second quadrant. So next third one, tan 270 plus theta. Therefore next tan 270 plus theta, so which is equals to tan 270 can be written as 3 into 90 plus theta, 3 into 90 plus theta, so which is equals to odd number. Tan changes to what here? Cot. At the end here theta is there, mention as it is. 3 plus 0 1 2 3 plus means fourth quadrant. You can see in the fourth quadrant tan is which sign here? Minus. Correct. In the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, remaining all are negative, means tan negative in the fourth quadrant. Next last value, what is that last value? Cot 360 minus theta. Cot 360 minus theta, so which is equals to cot 360 can be written as 4 into 90, 360 minus theta, again which is equals to even number. Cot remains what here? Cot, and here theta as it is you mention. Next 4 minus 0 1 2 3 4 minus means previous quadrant. Previous means fourth quadrant. Again you can see in the fourth quadrant cos and sec are positive, remaining all are negative. Remaining means cot comes, therefore cot is a negative in the fourth quadrant. So after finding all these values, note down the question. Therefore it is sin 90 plus theta plus next one cos 180 minus theta plus tan 270 plus theta plus cot 360 minus theta. So which is equals to first sin 90 plus theta, answer is plus cos theta. Next plus cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, plus third answer is minus cot theta. Next plus final answer is again minus cot theta. Therefore which is equals to, next it is plus cos theta, plus into minus is minus cos theta. So next plus into minus is minus cot theta, plus into minus is minus cot theta. So that time plus cos theta minus cos theta get cancelled here. Minus 1 times cot theta minus 1 time cot theta means minus 2 times of what? Cot theta. So this is the final answer. Next, question number 21. Write the formula of sine A minus B. Hence, find the value of what here? Sine 15 degree. This comes under compound angle in trigonometry. Therefore, first is solution. We need to write a sine A plus B formula. Sine A minus B formula. So sine A minus B. So you can see in compound angle. So in compound angle, sine A minus B formula, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A sine B. Next we need to find out what here? Sine 15 degree. 15 degree. So here first what we need to do is keep this sine as it is. So 15 is not a standard angle. So because of that reason 15 we are going to split as 45 minus of what here? 30. 45 minus 30 is how much here? 15. Once I split 15 as 45 minus 30, that time this looks like sine A minus B. Sine A minus B. A means 45, B means 30. That time we are going to apply which formula here? Sine A minus B. So formula is sine A means 45, sine A cos B means 30 minus cos A means 45 into sine B means how much here? 30. So after that, next we need to see a trigonometric table. So here you can see sine 45 1 divided by root 2. So here sine 45 is 1 divided by root 2. Next cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2 minus cos 45. So cos 45 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by what here? Root 2 into sine 30. Next sine 30 is how much here? 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2. Next do the simplification. Multiply 1 into root 3 is what here? Root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2 minus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by, next 2 into root 2 is what here? 2 root 2. Next step here we need to take what here? LCM. So LCM, both the denominators are same. LCM becomes 2 root 2. Here also multiply by 1. Here also multiply by 1. Root 3 into 1 is what? Root 3 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the value of what? Sine 15 degree. Next, question number 22. Prove that sine 2a is equals to 2 times of sine a into cos a using compound angle formula. This is the formula. This formula proof we need to show LHS is equals to what here? RHS. So for that, first we will take the LHS part. Left hand side. So what is that left hand side? Sine 2a. Correct? Sine 2a. Next, which is equals to sine, keep it as it is. Next 2a you split as a plus a. A plus a. So a plus a is what? 2a. So that time this looks like what here? Sine a plus b. So that time apply sine a plus b formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Compound angle sine a plus b formula we need to apply. But remember a means a only, but b means what here? A. Therefore wherever b comes we should replace by what here? A. Therefore it is sine A cos A plus again cos A, next is sine A. Next you can see here also sine A cos A is there, here also sine A cos A is there, but how many times? 2 times. Therefore 2 times of what here? Sine A into what here? Cos A, which is equals to what here? RHS. So LHS is equals to what here? RHS. Next, question number 23. If y is equals to x square plus cos x plus 5, then find d square y divided by dx square. So this is the question from differentiation chapter. In that, it is the question from successive differentiation, means double differentiation here. So first write the given question solution. Y is equals to x square plus cos x plus 5. So see, differentiate with respect to x, with respect to x. So again here you can see there are 3 terms in between plus sign, so we should apply here plus rule. That plus rule tells every term we need to do the differentiation. 3 functions are there, all 3 functions we need to do the differentiation. So in differentiation there is a formula. Differentiation of first one is what? X square. Directly x square formula goes to what here? 2x. Next, differentiation of what here? Cos x. So cos x differentiation is minus sin x. And next, differentiation of any number directly goes to what here? 0. Correct? Therefore, first y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by dx. Dy divided by dx, and then apply the plus rule. Plus rule means all 3 functions we need to do the differentiation separately. Differentiation of x square plus differentiation of cos x plus differentiation of what here? 5. So which is equals to x square differentiation is 2x plus cos x differentiation is minus sin x, in bracket you write, plus 5 differentiation goes to 0. Therefore dy divided by dx is equals to 2x plus into minus is minus, next one is what here? Sin x. But we need to find out d square y divided by dx square. So after doing first time differentiation, next we need to do one more time differentiation. So again differentiate with respect to what here? X. So that time dy by dx becomes d square y divided by dx square. So which is equals to, again here 2 terms, so in between minus sign, so we are going to apply which rule here? Minus rule. Minus rule means both the term we need to do the differentiation. This is the function number, so number we need to take it outside. Differentiation of what here? X minus differentiation of what here? Sin x. Again there is a formula. What is that formula? Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of sin x is what here? Cos x. Therefore, which is equals to 2 into x differentiation is 1 minus differentiation of sin x goes to what here? Cos x. Therefore, finally d square y divided by dx square value 2 into 1 is 2 minus of what here? Cos x. Next, question number 24. If y is equals to x cube into log x, then find dy divided by dx. So, here, first write the given function. Solution, y is equals to, it is x cube into log x. So, you can see here, this function we need to do the differentiation, but in the right hand side only one term is present, but in that one term how many functions are here? 2 functions. So in between 2 functions which sign is here? Multiplication. Therefore first step here we are going to apply multiplication rule of differentiation. So therefore differentiate with respect to x. So what is that multiplication rule in a differentiation? Suppose y is equals to first function into second function if it is there. So that time dy divided by dx is equals to is equals to, rule tells first function we need to keep it as it is, differentiation of second function, middle plus sign. Next second function we need, sorry, first function we need to keep it as it is, sorry, here multiplication rule in differentiation is first function as it is, next differentiation of second function, plus second function we need to keep it as it is, differentiation of what here, first function. So this is the rule of what, multiplication. Therefore this rule here we are going to apply. You can see here x cube is the first function, log x is the second function. So y differentiation goes to dy divided by dx is equals to first function as it is, differentiation of second function, that is log x, plus second function as it is, next differentiation of first function. What is the first function here, x cube. Next, which is equals to x cube, we need to keep it as it is. Next, log x differentiation we should do. So you know, differentiation of log x answer is 1 divided by x. And here this looks like what, differentiation of x raised to n. So n into x raised to n minus 1 formula we are going to use here. Therefore log x differentiation is 1 divided by x plus log x as it is, x to the power 3 goes to 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1. Therefore final answer, here you can cancel 1x get cancelled here, remaining is 2. So x square into 1 is what here, x square plus log x as it is into this is 3 into x power 3 minus 1 is how much here, 2. So this is the value of dy divided by dx. Next question, if y is equals to 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x, then find dy divided by dx. So here if you want to solve this example in differentiation, we are going to use division rule. So what is that division rule? If y is equals to numerator divided by denominator, if it comes, that time first denominator we need to keep it as it is. Next numerator differentiation we should do, minus numerator we should keep it as it is. Next denominator differentiation divided by denominator value square we should take. So here we apply, you can see 1 plus sin x is the numerator, 1 minus sin x is the denominator. Therefore in the solution, so y is equals to 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x. Apply this rule. So differentiate with respect to x. So y differentiation goes to dy divided by what here, dx is equals to, first denominator keep it as it is. What is the denominator? 1 minus sin x, keep it as it is in the bracket. Next differentiation of a numerator. What is the numerator here? 1 plus sin x, middle minus sign. Next numerator 1 plus sin x, keep it as it is. Next differentiation of denominator 1 minus sin x. Next divided by denominator square, that is 1 minus sin x square. So this is the rule. So after that, next 1 minus sin x as it is, 1 minus sin x as it is. Next 1 plus sin x differentiation we should do. So here there are two terms, so we are going to apply which rule here? Plus rule, means both the term we need to do the differentiation. So 1 differentiation goes to 0 plus sin x differentiation goes to cos x, minus 1 plus sin x as it is. Here we are going to apply minus rule. So again here 1 differentiation is 0 minus sin x differentiation is what here? Cos x, divided by 1 minus sin x square. Next simplify these two first, which is equals to, again in bracket 1 minus sin x, I am going to keep it as it is. 0 plus cos x is plus cos x. Next minus 1 plus sin x as it is, 0 minus cos x is minus cos x divided by 1 minus sin x whole bracket square. Next open the bracket, these two, and here also open the bracket, these two, do the multiplication. Therefore in bracket plus into plus is plus, cos x into 1 is what here, cos x, plus into minus is minus, cos x into sin x is what, cos x sin x. Next minus into plus is what here, minus, cos x into 1 is what, cos x, minus into plus is minus, cos x into sin x is what, cos x sin x divided by again 1 minus sin x whole bracket square. Next open the bracket, so which is equals to, it is plus cos x minus cos x sin x, minus into minus is plus cos x, minus into minus is plus cos x sin x divided by again 1 minus sin x whole bracket square, keep it as it is. That time minus cos x sin x plus cos x sin x get cancelled, so what is the remaining value here, plus cos x, here remaining value is plus cos x divided by 1 minus sin x whole bracket square, keep it as it is. So which is equals to, you can see here 1 times of cos x, 1 times of cos x is 2 times of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x whole bracket square. So this is final answer. Next question number 26. Evaluate integration of x square into bracket 1 plus x with respect to dx. So here if you want to solve such type of problem, what we need to do is, in the first step we need to open the bracket. Okay, so which is equals to integration symbol, keep it as it is. So first open the bracket, multiply x square into 1. So x square into 1 is x square plus, next these two, x square into x goes to how much here, x cube with respect to what here, dx. After opening the bracket, next here you can see two functions are there in between plus sign, so here we are going to apply plus rule in integration. So what is that plus rule in integration? Both the functions we need to do what, integration, but you can clearly observe here first one, that is first function, and this second function. This second function both looks like what, x power n. So here we are going to apply the formula x power n plus 1 divided by what, n plus 1. But remember here n means 2 and here n means how much here, 3. Therefore here first integration of x square with respect to dx plus integration of x cube with respect to dx. So now apply the formula, x square looks like x power n, therefore this becomes x raised to 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus x cube becomes x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then after doing the integration, commonly you write here plus c. Therefore final answer is x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus x to the power 4 divided by 4. 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 1 is how much here, 3, then plus c. Next question. Question number 27. Evaluate integration from 1 to 2 x square minus 1 with respect to what here, dx. So this is the question from definite integration, because here lower limit as well as what, upper limit is given. So first in the solution, so write that question, integration from 1 to 2 x square minus 1 with respect to what here, dx. So here first step we are going to apply the minus rule. So what is that minus rule? Both the functions we need to do what here? Integration. So this x square looks like what here? X to the power n. That x square looks like x to the power n. So x to the power n plus 1 divided by what? N plus 1. N means here 2. Therefore for this we are going to apply x power n formula. So that time it is x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by what? 2 plus 1 minus integration of 1. So there is a formula, integration of 1 is what here? X. Therefore integration of 1 goes to directly x. After doing integration, here you have to mention lower limit and here you have to mention the upper limit. Next simplify. So it is x to the power 2 plus 1 3 divided by 3 minus x from 1 to 2. So in the next step, wherever x comes, first we need to substitute the upper limit, middle minus sign, then wherever x comes we need to substitute the lower limit. That is the rule. Therefore first here it is upper limit in place of x. So what is the upper limit here? 2. So it is 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 minus here x means upper limit 2. Middle always negative sign. Next lower limit is 1. In place of x substitute 1 to the power 3 divided by 3 minus of what here? 1. Next simplify. 2 to the power 3 means 8 divided by 3 minus 2 minus 1 to the power 3 means what? 1 to the power 3 means 1 divided by 3 minus of what here? 1. So next here either you can take here LCM here also as well as here, otherwise 8 by 3 and 1 by 3 you can use here calculator. So I will show you both the method. So suppose if you use the calculator, 8 divided by 3 if you do it, it will show you 2.66 minus 2 minus 1 divided by 3 if you do it, it will show you 0.33 minus 1. Next 2.66 minus 2 is 0.66. Next minus again in bracket 0.33 minus 1 is minus 0.67. Therefore which is equals to 0.66 minus into minus goes to what here? Plus 0.67. Therefore what is the final answer? 0.66 plus 0.67 is what? 1.33. So this is the final answer. Or else you can take the LCM also. Okay, or you can take LCM also. So here LCM is 3. So LCM is what here? 3. So here we need to multiply by 1, here we need to multiply by 3. So 8 into 1 is what here? 8 minus of 2 into 3 is how much here? 6 minus again here also LCM is what here? 3. So here 1 we need to multiply, 1 into 1 is 1 minus of here we need to multiply by 3, 1 into 3 goes to how much here? 3. So next which is equals to 8 minus 6 goes to 2 divided by what here? 3 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 2 divided by 3. Therefore it is 2 divided by 3 minus into minus is plus 2 divided by 3. Again here also one more time we need to take the LCM. Again LCM is 3. So both the denominator 3 only. So here 1 and here also multiply by 1. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore final answer is what? 4 divided by 3. So again if you use the calculator, 4 by 3 means how much it will show you? 1.3. So this is the final answer. Next question. Question number 28. Evaluate integration x into e power x with respect to what here? Dx. So this example can be solved by using integration by parts method. So because here in the given question there are two functions are there. There are how many functions? two functions are there. Easily you can say x is algebraic function and e power x is what here, exponential function. That's why we are going to apply which method here, integration by parts. Here total 5 functions comes. First is logarithmic, next inverse, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. According to this rule, first algebraic comes, that's why x becomes the first function. After that exponential comes, that time e power x becomes how much here, second function. So x consider as first function, e power x we should consider as what, second function. After this here we need to apply this formula. So what is that formula? Integration of first function into second function is equals to, the formula is first function keep it as it is, next integrate the second function minus 2 times second function, we need to do the integration into differentiation of what here, first function. Therefore now apply here, which is equals to first function as it is. What is the first function here? X. Keep it as it is. Next integration of what? Second function. What is the second function here? E power x minus double integration of second function. What is the second function here? E power x into differentiation of first function. What is the first function here? X. So with respect to what here, dx. So which is equals to, again in integration of e power x is what here, e power x only. Next differentiation of x, answer goes to how much here, 1. So now apply. Therefore x as it is, e power x integration is what, e power x minus, here 2 times integration sign is there, that's why first integration symbol we need to keep it as it is. Next integration of e power x becomes what, e power x into differentiation of x is how much here, 1 with respect to what here, dx. So next x into e power x as it is minus integration of e power x into 1 is what, e power x with respect to what here, dx. Therefore final answer is x e power x minus, again integration of e power x is what here, e power x, then commonly write what here, plus c. So this is the final answer.